Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing KMyMoney, a personal finance and money management app that promises to help you take control of your finances. If you've been looking for an easy way to track spending and budget smarter, this review's for you. What it is. KMyMoney is a personal finance app designed to help users manage their income, expenses, accounts, and budgets all in one place. Its main goal is to simplify money management and give you a clear picture of where your money is going. How it works. Once you set up an account, you can link your bank accounts or enter transactions manually. The app categorizes expenses automatically, tracks bills, and generates reports to show your spending trends. You can set budgets for different categories, monitor account balances, and even schedule recurring payments. Its dashboard is straightforward, making it easy to see your overall financial health at a glance. Who it's for. KMyMoney is ideal for anyone who wants to stay on top of their finances, from students and young professionals to families looking to manage monthly budgets efficiently. What people are saying. Users like the simplicity, clear reports, and easy tracking features. Some have mentioned that occasional syncing issues or manual entry for certain accounts can be a little time-consuming. Pros. Easy-to-use interface, automatic expense categorization, budget tracking and financial reports. Works well for both simple and slightly complex finances. Cons. Some manual input may be required. Occasional syncing issues with certain accounts. Recommendation. So now here's my recommendation. If you want a straightforward way to track spending and manage your budget, KMyMoney is a solid choice. It's simple, effective, and helps you stay on top of your finances. That's it for this KMyMoney review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.